beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare this local delicacy. It's very delicious. It's called ekpangnkukwo, made from water yam. We call it ekpang. I grew up knowing this. My mom used to make it, and it is honestly one of my best meal. I love it so much. And it also reminds me of my grandma because whenever we go to the village, we always make this. Can you guess who sent this water yam to me? My mom, all the way from the east. Yes, mothers are the best. So please, in the comment section, let's say thank you to my mom. Okay, so now we're going to peel the water yam. We're going to peel it, and then the next thing would be to grate it. So just keep watching so you're going to see all the steps in preparing this meal. Now, this water yam has traveled all the way from the east to Abuja. Yes. So let me know how you enjoy your own water yam. For me, I can eat this ikpam in the morning for breakfast, in the afternoon for lunch, and also for dinner. That's how much I love it. If this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Chika. I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and a mom of three. On my channel, I create content based on motherhood, food, DIY, and homemaking. If these are the kind of content you like, then please stick around, join my family by clicking on the subscribe button. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It goes a long way to help my channel. Thank you. Our yam is washed. Now I'm going to be prepping the ugu leaves. I'm washing them very well. You have to wash it thoroughly because of dirt, because of germs, because of the sand. So wash it really well as many times as possible. So right now I've washed it a couple of times, and I'm going to now soak it with salt. Yes, I'm going to just put a little bit of salt in the water and allow it to rest for some time before coming back to rinse it off one more time. The water yam has been grated properly. Our leaves have been washed. They are all clean. So now we are going to start wrapping them. Before then, you have to pour in red oil into your pot, any pot you're going to be using for the base. Then you take a little bit of water yam, put it in the leaves, and then you wrap it. That's all. Just like that, you take a little bit of the water yam, the grated water yam, put it into the leaf, and then you wrap it. That's just it. You keep on doing this process till you are done with it. That's all you need to do. It looks so good, right? There is another method where you don't have to wrap the water yam, but that's for another day. So right now we are going to add in boiling water. Yes, hot water into the pot. Let it cover the water yam that you have wrapped. So now we are going to do this. As you can see, I'm adding in some boiled water, and then you go ahead to add your seasoning. Go ahead to add your onions, your pepper, everything you need. If you're using dry fish, you could add it at this point. So I'm adding in my crayfish. I'm adding in salt. Just go ahead and add in everything you need. Even if you're using your periwinkles, you could go ahead and add that. If you haven't tried this meal before, then you should go ahead and try it. It is absolutely delicious. Your whole family will love it. Trust me. Now I covered it for a bit and allow it cook before adding in my smoked fish so that it doesn't scatter. So I'll be adding in my smoked fish at this point. You can add in any other protein that you like and then allow it cook all together. Then your food is ready. So easy, right? It is easy, it is delicious, it is very healthy.